Hello, all, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing well. Today, the video is about Hot Wheels Honda Integra Type R. So, before we dwell into detail, let's talk about little Honda Integra Type R. Why was it famous back in the day? Because, due to its impeccable handling, razor sharp 5-speed gearbox, and 189 brake horsepower, it had a 1.8 liter VTEC engine which redlined at 8,700 rpm. So that was impressive. That's why the 1995 Honda Integra Type R was a JDM icon that set the street and our hearts ablaze. And now, we can have it as 1:64 scale diecast car, which is going to launch on July 16, 2024 at 9 a.m. Pacific Time at metalcreation.com. As this diecast car comes in a vibrant yellow color, which is made of ZAMAC, which is a sturdy and durable metal. And it has an opening hood, and we can find the signature VTEC engine, which is a symbol of power and performance that made the drivers feel invincible on the road. And it consists of 5-spoke modern real rider wheels, full metal matte black chassis, medium smoke tinted windows, and the molded black interior all contributes to its sleek and stylish look. It's not just a collectible, but a piece of automotive history, as it is limit 2 per club member for $25. So don't miss out this unique opportunity. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.